Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are going to start new chapter of grade 8, that is chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. Before getting into the meaning of what is linear equation in one variable, I just want to give a quick recap like what is an algebraic expression, what is an equation. This I have already explained in the chapter number 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities. If you have any doubt, you can refer my previous videos of that chapter. But here, what is an algebraic expression? Any expression in which we have more than one term or even one term in which some variables are there, some constants are there, those all are algebraic expression. So what is an equation? Any expression in which equal to sign should be present. Okay, so that is, we can say that we have both left hand side and right hand side of an equation. So for example, I say that this is 3x square. So 3x square means it is an algebraic expression. We have variable as x and this is numerical coefficient of this term as 3. So expressions can be monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. This we have already discussed. So this expression has one term, this has two terms, this is also of two terms, that is binomial. But here we can see that this is having one variable only, that is x. This also has one variable, but here we have two different variables, x and y. Variable means whenever we can put any value in the expression, we can find the value of that expression. So any algebraic expression can have indefinite values because we can put as many values of the variables as we want and we can evaluate the values. But in case of equation, suppose I am writing this same thing as 3x plus 5 equals to 12. So here I can see that I have one left hand side, right hand side and equal to sign also. If we have this equal to sign, then we can say that this overall is an equation. But if we don't have any equal to sign, that will be referred as expression. So in an equation, we have both left hand side and right hand side. So one thing is to be noted here, that an equation is not true for all the values of variable. So that means we will find few values of x. When we substitute here, we can say that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. We will see what are the different methods to find such values, but those values of x or those values of variable which when we substitute in our equation, we can get a left hand side as equal to right hand side. Those particular values of variables are called solution of the equation. So we will see the different methods to find the solution of an equation. But before this, you should know what is degree of an expression or degree of an equation. So degree means the highest power of the variable involved in the equation. So here I can see in this example we have 3x square. So variable is x. And what is the degree means? Power of that variable. Here in our case, this expression has degree 2. If we check here, we have one variable x and we should check the value or the power of that variable. Here we have 2. So degree is 2. In this expression, we have two variables x and y. What is the degree of x? Here it is power as 1. Here also power as 1. So degree of x in this particular expression is 1. Degree of y also in this expression is 1. Suppose I am writing 3x 4 5x square 3x equals to 9. So we will see here that this equation has only one variable. So we will check what is the degree of this equation. To find the degree of this equation, what we should do is we will find the power of each term and we'll see which is the highest power. Okay. So here x has power 4. For this term x has power 2 and for this term x has power 1. So overall we can say that this 4 is the highest degree of x. So that means degree of this particular equation is 4. So what is degree? The highest power of the variable involved in the equation. So now coming to what is the meaning of linear equation in one variable. So it is clear from the name itself that our equation, this is linear equations. First of all, we should have an equation. That means equal to sign should be present in the equation, right? Second is one variable. So that means our equation should have only one variable. We cannot have two variables or three variables. Like here, this cannot be a linear equation in one variable because we are dealing with two variables here. So overall we can say that we should have only one variable in our equation. First thing is it should be an equation. Second thing is only one variable should be there. And third thing is linear. What is linear means that degree of your equation or degree of the variable involved in your equation should be always 1. We are not dealing with higher powers. Only degree should be 1. Then that equation will be referred as linear equation in one variable. So what are the three things that we should be considering in this chapter is, first of all, equation should be there. That means equality sign should be present. Second is there should be only one variable involved in the equation. Okay. The third thing is degree of the variable that is in our equation should always be 1. So this is the meaning of linear equation in one variable. Suppose I am writing it here, 2x plus 3 is equals to 11. Let's see whether this is linear equation in one variable or not. So here first thing I told you, it should be like equality sign should be present. So yes, we have equality sign. Okay. Second thing is only one variable should be there. Yes, we have only one variable as x. And the third thing is degree of that variable should be 1. So yes, we have degree as 1. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Suppose I am writing 3x square plus 5x as 8. So here again we can check whether this is linear equation or not. So equal to sign is there, variable is also 1, but the highest power of the variable is 2. So this will be a quadratic equation, not linear. So this is not a linear equation. Suppose I am saying that 3x plus 7y equals to 7. So here again if you want to check, equal to sign is there, but we have two variables. But we want only one variable, so this is not a linear equation in one variable. Also, I want to mention one thing, that don't get confused that I am saying there should be one variable. That doesn't mean that there should be only one term having x. So I can write in this format also, 3x plus 5 is equals to 8x plus 9. Okay, now let's check whether this is according to linear equation in one variable. First thing, equal to sign. Yes, it is having equal to sign. Second thing is there should be only one variable. So we can check here, we have two different terms, both have same variable x. So that means only one variable is there. Third thing is the degree of that variable should be 1. So we can check here in this term what is the degree of x? 1. Here also what is the power of x? 1. So that means this is again a linear equation in one variable. So this x term or any variable term can come as many number of times as required, but make sure that the highest power of all those terms having x or any variable should always be 1. Then that equation will be referred as linear equation in one variable. So I hope you understood what is the meaning of linear equation in one variable. So how to find the solution of these type of equations, that we will do in our next video. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the next topic of the chapter. Thank you.